Emma. That's Josh. And this is our 2-year-old daughter, Charlie. We live on a tiny sailboat called Pixel, and we make videos documenting our journey nearly every single day. You're watching Sailing Uncut. Good morning! Yeah, no, we still aren't ready yet. We gotta do our hair, we gotta put sunscreen on, we gotta pack the bag. The first day of being at Airlie. The markets are on this morning, so we're gonna go to the markets, and then we're gonna go for a swim at the lagoon, and then probably the playground. What do you think? A fun-filled day? Oh, my nose. Thank you. We could walk, but my arms are sore and Charlie will inevitably want me to carry her, so we'll just tender her around. Are you just going to jump in?
No, I'm going to film you grabbing her.
Okay, great. And we got Charlie. Yeah, what's happening? Ah! Wow, that wasn't smooth.
Some people get in their car to go to the park. We get in our car. It just floats on water.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's awesome. You get this wet in a car. Charlie, we're getting wet. Alright, I'll go fast.
Oh, whoa. And the park is right there.
The park.
How cool is the park?
The baby to do that slide.
Yeah, we're gonna go down the slide.
And the baby
It's very handy that there's a beach right next to the park. Bonk you off.
Go, Charlie, go.
Run, run.
Careless. Round and round.
Okay, so good morning. The plan was to leave in a couple of days, but another weather system has come, and that would mean that we would be stuck here for over a week. So we are going to instead leave tomorrow because it's good weather tomorrow, and then we're probably going to go over to Nara Inlet and hide out there. And if it's busy, maybe go back to Sid Harbour. So who knows? But we need to get the boat prepped. We need to provision. We need to do some cleaning. We need to fill up the water tanks. We need to get fuel. Just all those normal boat jobs. So that is our plan today. I need to do washing. It's a bit of a boring day, but then we will be leaving tomorrow for more sailing.
So one of the jobs we've got to do is clean out the tender.
As you can see, there's just sand everywhere, all in there. It's quite dirty.
And Charlie has volunteered to help, as you can see. Thanks, Charlie. Can you wash the tender? Wash the little boat? You stand there, stop, and wash the little boat. And so I'm kind of collateral damage to Charlie's assistance.
Actually cleaning the tender properly now?
Yeah, it's a little easier when the little one's not squirting me in the face with water every 2 seconds. It just builds up so quickly out there. Like, we're getting in and out every day with sand. It just feels like the pockets are full of sand somehow. So I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a quick hose down, bit of a rub down. Nothing too. I'm not gonna scrub it with like a cleaning solution or anything.
Just some good old fresh water.
That's it. And then I'll probably use this hose to fill up the tanks with water. This is my version of just like hosing the lawn. Like, you know, people when they're in their burp house and they're just like hosing their lawn. That's me, just gently just hosing.
And what are you doing while Dada cleans the tinder? And a job that I need to do is some washing. It's just so much easier to do washing at a marina. Not much today though. And all of Charlie's clothes. That should do it. And so for the washing, I need to stick the hose at the window. Right here so it doesn't fall. Super high tech. And then that's where the water goes. We will one day eventually plumb it in properly, but that's just the system that we're working with right now. And Charlie's on making morning tea duty.
Alright, I'm going to head to the chandlery to get a new pulley for the Traveller. It exploded last sale, so I'll do that. And I'm also going to see if they have a new one of these, which is a remote for the anchor. So I can drop the anchor by myself with the remote. So who knows what they'll have, but this is $40 for a new pulley. Crazy. Anyway, gotta be done. So yeah, I'm going to go do that now. Alrighty, Emery's gone to do the shopping, and the only thing I know how to make for Charlie for lunch is a peanut. Oh, I need that. Are you sleeping? Hey, your peanut butter wrap's ready? Come get it. Yeah? You're back.
I'm back. Gosh, that was a moment. I definitely miss having a car while cruising. It's kind of one of those things that it's just, you don't realize how convenient the car is until all of a sudden you don't have it and you have to log back 2 weeks worth of groceries to your boat. But I made it.
Groceries. Oh, yum.
Part of unpacking the groceries is that you also have to unpack all of the packaging and plastic and wrapping, because that then just like really reduces our waste when we're out there. So that's what I'm doing now, and then I just put it in containers and different bits and pieces, and it keeps in the fridge better as well. So it's not as simple as just throwing it in the fridge. We're being lazy and catching a taxi into town instead of walking.
So rather than use the provisions that Emma just bought, we thought we'd come out for a final dinner in town. I hope it's yummy. And we will then go to the playground. And then get this little one home to bed.
I mean, look! Does that look so yum?
Wow.
So I kind of forgot the two most important things when I went shopping today, which was coffee and nappies. So we're gonna race back to the shops and get them before we go back to the boat.
We found Mama!
Nappies and coffee. And oats.
Oats. Let's find some oats, Charlie, and then we'll get you a treat. What treat do you want? Yogurt? You want oats? Okay, we'll find you some oats.
Oats. Coffee. Nappies.
Now we need treats.
Now we need treats.
Yes, Charlie. Alright, I'm gonna head to the fuel wharf and fill up these jerry cans before it gets too dark, even though it's kind of pitch black.
Somehow the sunset just disappeared. Bye.
I'll be back. Yeah, we really need to get a light for there. It's something that I looked at the first thing we bought the boat, and I just never ended up buying one because I couldn't choose the one that I wanted. That's the baby. Alright, I think Charlie just woke up and needed a bit of extra loving, so we read her another book and she's back down now. But I think we're going to end the vlog here because you guys can't see anything anyway because it's pitch black. So I'm going to finish putting this fuel away while we do a last little minute clean up, and then we'll go to bed so we can wake up in the morning and go sailing. Alright, night.